And I feel like every single weekend that we've been together so far, we're telling people, go to the movies, go to the mall, stay indoors. But today might finally be the day that you could get out on a weekend and maybe go for an afternoon run.
That's right. We've had 4 to 6 inches of rainfall through the state this past week. Yesterday evening, very heavy rainfall. And luckily, we were talking about this. We did not see that widespread severe weather like our friends just south of us in the Mid-South, parts of Arkansas and Kentucky had some strong storms. So we were lucky enough to dodge that, but the heavy rain, we got all of it. We certainly did. And widespread areas along our river is going to continue to rise until the rivers crest. And that's going to take at least until, well, potentially March 5th or 6th for some places in the southern part of the state. The rain has come to an end here in Indianapolis, and the sky slowly starting to clear as temperatures plummet. We are down to 40 right now. 4 hours ago, we were at 57 degrees before we felt the effects of that cold front come through. 57 is as warm as we are going to get today. So looking ahead at this afternoon, we'll recover back to around 50, but the high temperature has already been met. We are also talking about some very strong wind gusts. In fact, West Lafayette had a 62-mile-per-hour wind gust out at the Purdue Airport. That's it. Just to put that into perspective, we get tropical storms with winds around 39 miles per hour. So that's almost double what a tropical storm wind gust would be. 55 at the Grissom Air Force Base up north. And you'll notice most of these are across the northern half of the state. That's where we've had some of the stronger winds reported. That's why that's where the wind advisory is currently in effect for places like Peru, Marion, and over to Portland through 10 o'clock this morning. We've also been picking up on a few reports, storm reports, flooding and wind damage. This one coming in from the Batesville area yesterday evening around 10 o'clock, reporting that there are some minor flooding in some streets. Want to avoid that if you are in that area, as well as a tree that was reported down, blocking traffic near Dean Road, right there at the intersection of 71st Street on the north side of town. So watching these reports coming in, the potential is there because we have a very saturated ground. You get some of those strong wind gusts to accompany that. That's what we're going to see, those trees down. That risk definitely exists during the first part of the day today. And we still have widespread flood warnings along most of our local rivers. And again, that's not going to go away until we can get the rivers to crest. That's going to take several days. Rainfall estimates over the past 48 hours, most of us picked up between 1 and 2 inches over in Terre Haute, the Vigo County area, right there along I-70. Nearly 4 inches of radar indicated rainfall in the past 2 days. That's a significant amount. Good news is the cold front has since gone through. We're starting to see the skies clearing across the northwest part of the state, as well as that colder air starting to take back over. Again, we are at 40 in Indianapolis, but Lafayette's already dropping into the upper 30s. We will see a big-time cool down to get the day started, but with the help of the sunshine this afternoon, we'll get back near 50. The skies continue to clear out. In fact, it's looking pretty good for our Sunday. And now that we're in this dry weather pattern, we're going to continue with that, taking us into our Monday, waking up with temperatures near freezing, but still lots of sunshine as we return to the mid-50s for highs to start our next work week. We'll keep sunshine around for Tuesday as well as temperatures continue to climb. 63 degrees, stray showers possible on Wednesday. The best chance for some more measurable rainfall. This is going to come in on Thursday.
All right. Thank you, Lindsay.